In this video, I'll show you how to check your Claude usage limits. This can be helpful if you want to see how much of your Claude limit you've used, when your usage resets, or whether you're getting close to your limit. First, open Claude and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're inside Claude, go to the top left corner and click on the 3 horizontal lines to open the menu. From there, click on File. Next, click on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see different options related to your Claude account. Now look for an option called Usage or Usage Limits. If this option is available on your account, click on it. This is where Claude may show your current usage information. Depending on your plan, you may see things like how much usage you've already used, how much you have remaining, and when your limit resets. You may also see a progress bar that makes it easier to understand how close you are to reaching your limit. If you don't see the usage section, it may be because you're using a free account, or because usage details are only available for certain paid plans. In that case, Claude may simply notify you when you're close to your limit or when you've reached it. And that's it. That's how you check your Claude usage limits. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple AI tutorials.